Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana here, back with a new video, and I feel like I feel like every time I film it feels like I haven't filmed in a while, but I am back even though I didn't go nowhere. Today is gonna be a get ready with me with makeup that I've gotten from a YouTuber that I truly support and truly obsessed with. Like, I'm obsessed with how makeup looks. Her name is Destiny. I will have her link to her channel and her Instagram in my description box, so make sure y'all check her out. Her makeup looks are bomb. She's one of the YouTubers that I learned how to blend from and stuff like that. So I want you guys to check out her channel, let her know that I sent you, especially on her Instagram, stuff like that. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. I'm going to show you everything that I got in my box. I would say it's like a mystery box because I don't know what I was getting. So I will let you guys, show you everything that I've gotten from her. As well, I will be using some of the products in this video as well. So you don't want to miss this little tutorial. This is the box, okay? This is the box full of makeup. Okay, the LA Girl Nudist palettes. I did a review on one of the palettes. It's 4 palettes in this collection. So this is the, I don't even know the name of this one. This is the Nudist palette. Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This palette is like a freaking, I wouldn't say an OG. It's like, this palette is like a classic. Never bought Anastasia palettes. I never tried their shadows, so I'm excited about this as well. I've also got a I Love Revolution Chocolate Rose Gold palette. I think this is the dupe for the Too Faced chocolate palette, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me. I have a BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. This palette is fire, like low-key fire. Like, I'm just so freaking like starstruck. Like, she really got me all this stuff. So I got this makeup bag full of a bunch of masks. Like, we have the hydrate mask, we have an exfoliating mask, and we have a detox mask, and we have a quench your face mask. So this is the next makeup bag. This is super cute. I don't really have a lot of makeup bags or cosmetic bags I can use, so this definitely comes in handy. I have 2 Huda Beauty lipsticks. I never had any Huda Beauty products ever in my life. I always wanted to try the foundation. I have these shades Joyride and I have Pool Party. I have 3 liquid lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, this is like a freaking dream come true. I've never had any liquid lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't even know how their formula is, but the fact that I end up getting some is like freaking bomb. These colors are fire. First of all, I got a headband, which is so cool. I got an EOS ball. I haven't had an EOS ball in years. When my best friend see this, she gonna know. This EOS ball, we used to go crazy over these EOS balls for no reason. So we have some BH Cosmetics pigments. We have this nice gold shade. We have a nice purple shade. We have a nice pink shade. This shit is fire. This stuff is like, has like a little bit of dust on it because one of the palettes that she gave me, which is a CoverGirl Spectrum palette, it did break. So it wasn't open, it was sealed, but somehow the shadow kind of got out of the palette, if that makes sense. But it's all good, you know. I'm still grateful, forget all that. And I have this nice green. This would be fire for freaking Christmas. I also have another pigment from Appeal Pigment, and this is like a nice white, like white, like Snow White. Also have these I Love Revolution donut palettes. These palettes is fire. Like, all right, let me just show you. I'm gonna show you one. Like, these colors, like, look at this. This looks so freaking cute. Like, I can't wait to dig into these, but I'm gonna try to use everything, not everything today, but you know, this feel good. Okay, I also got another ITSMYRAYERAYE palette, the one I just did a video on not too long ago. I want you guys to definitely check that out. I will link that in the description box, have it pop up in the cards, as well as the brush set. Y'all know I love these two together. I love ITSMYRAYERAYE brushes and I love her palettes. So we have some LA Girl little palettes. These look cute. I never knew they even had these little palettes right here. These are cute. House of Thorn. House of Thorn. I think this is the House of Thorn limited edition quad palette. I did a video on this as well. This palette is fire, super pigmented. I freaking love it. So yeah, I believe that's it. Okay guys, I am back and this is what I came up with. I end up deciding to use the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I did a little like glitter half cut crease. I'm liking it. It's giving me glitter icy vibes. So I'm gonna go in with the shade, what's the name of this? Regular. I'm gonna go in with the regular shade. I'm gonna go in with the chocolate shade called Cypress Umber. Is it Umber? Yeah, Cypress Umber. Okay, so we're gonna go in now with the Love Letter shade right here, and we're gonna just pop that in between the brown shade. I'm sorry, in between regular and Cypress Umber, and we're gonna just run that right in between, like right there, just to give that a nice ombre effect. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber again, and then we're gonna just blend out those edges because that's just what we do. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a shimmer shade. I'm gonna go in with Vermeer, this pink shade right here. So I'm gonna go in with a Love Letter right here, and I'm just gonna basically my nose, you know, it's allergy season. I'm gonna just go like this, and I'm just like, wow, I see why people like really body shadows. I mean, I love Anastasia, but I didn't know their palettes was this pigmented. I didn't think their shadows would show up on my complexion, honestly. We're about to go in with a pigment, a pale pigment that I got in my free makeup box. I don't even know what shade this is called, but it's like a white. This Wet n Wild cucumber. I've saw this on Juicy Jazz's channel, and I'm like, I want to try it. It smells good. Like, it really smells good. Interesting. I have the new Black Radiance foundation sticks. I freaking love these foundation sticks. I want you to check out the video. that I just reviewed on these foundation sticks, cause sis. Okay guys, you've made it in this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Destiny's channel. Like, that's my friend, like we besties. Okay, so I love you guys so much. We're about to get into some slow-mos. I know the drill, y'all know what I do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.